to another video. Anyway, so I'm going to do a closet clean out because we're stuck in the house for like however long this lasts, and I've been meaning to go through my clothes because I have so many clothes and not enough space, and I'll just show you. I basically hoard everything, and that's also what's happening to my dresser and my jewelry. Like, I need to go through that too. I'd also like to apologize for the glare on my glasses and my Christmas sweater, but you know, I love it. It's fun. So go Harry Potter, and yeah. You can tell all of these things, it's literally it's full of clothes, no room, and yep, my graduation gown. I like my drawers. As you can see, it's hard to open with my sweaters. My shorts are wrecked. Fun time. I'm gonna watch some TV, I think. So, this is what I'm working with. My mountain of shoes that literally piled out of my closet. Time to fix this. Finished all my shoes, so now I'm going through these boxes of like CDs and old trinkets, and I'm throwing stuff away, doing a giveaway pile, I have my water, it's all good. So this is day 2 of my closet dresser clean out. And I realized I need more space in my drawers so I can fit more in there. So I can take stuff out of my closet, and yeah, here we go. Day 3 of this closet clean out, and oh my gosh, a new shirt. And yeah, I found out my classes are gonna be moved online for the rest of the semester. Fun times. Anyway, let's clean this mess of my room. Took down all my fancy dresses, and I reorganized all these little things. This is just like dress up and fun crazy shit. And yeah. Oh yeah, cussing. So my last step for my closet clean out, I think, is gonna be switching to these hangers, and yeah, we'll see a final reveal soon, I guess. Here's a good way to organize your shirts in your drawers so you can have good space. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna flip this over, then you're gonna flip this one over, then you're gonna go like that, and then like that, and you'll set it like that. Of course, the shirt's now dirty, so I have to clean it. Bye, thank you for watching.